Metro Bank app is not responding or keep crashing? Hi guys, it's Mekran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to fix Metro Bank app not responding problem. So without any delay, let's get started. There are some methods that can help fix this problem. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many software related issues. Turn off your phone and wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Clear Metro Bank cache and data. Go to your phone's setting, find the app or application section. Locate the Metro Bank app or you can search it in the address bar. Click on storage use and clear its cache and data. This can sometimes resolve issues related to corrupted cache files or conflicting data. Update the Metro Bank app. Make sure the app that's causing trouble is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Metro Bank app, and if there is an update available, install it. This can help fix any corrupted installation file. Check for device storage. Ensure that your phone has enough storage space available. If your device storage is nearly full, it can cause app to malfunction. Factory reset. This is a more drastic step that should be used as a last resort. Performing factory reset will erase all the data on your phone, so make sure to back it up important information before proceeding. You can usually find the option to factory reset in your phone's setting menu. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more future tutorials.